everybody, it's Denny here with Denny Reviews, and this here is celery flakes. This is going to be good for your soup, salads, stews, camping meals, and pantry storage. Again, because it's dehydrated, it's going to last a whole lot longer. This is chopped celery. You can throw this in your soup. It will rehydrate, and it's going to look just like regular celery. It smells like celery. It tastes like celery. And again, if you're going on that camping trip, you're going to want to bring this with you, especially if they're making meals, and you know how storage is sometimes limited. So you can pull that tab, and then we can go ahead and open this. All right, once you get it open, it does have a resealable bag, which is nice. And this smells just like celery. And you can see here, get a close-up shot of what that looks like. You can even eat it dry. Let me try it dry. You're gonna wanna cook with it. But nonetheless, it tastes like celery, smells like celery. Again, if you're looking for a pure natural herb that's dehydrated and already chopped, great to add into a lot of meals. It's gonna be vegan and gluten-free. You get 12 ounces. There's plenty here that's gonna last you a while. Again, shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do a review.